My name is Jessica Stuyvenberg, and I am a Google for Education Certified Trainer and Coach. Today, I am going to show you how to use Storybook in Google Gemini. Teachers, I'm showing you how to use Gemini Storybook as a teaching weapon. This isn't just for story time. It's for visualizing the invisible. We're going to take a complex topic, something that usually takes 3 slides and a prayer, and bring it to life right in front of your students' eyes. Best of all, this will just take a few minutes of your time. Storybook can help engage your students in the lesson. It can help you to illustrate difficult concepts and vocabulary. Think about how you can use personification to bring the content to life and make it meaningful. Pause this video to complete the steps with me. Navigate to gemini.google.com and select Storybook. You may need to go to the Gem Manager to find it. You will enter a prompt for your story into the Gemini chat box. Look at the 4 example prompts listed. Think about using all of the parts to craft a detailed prompt. Rejigger the parts around so that your prompt makes sense as a detailed sentence. My main character is a Chromebook. Who will your main character be? Will it be a forgotten library book in the rain? Could that explorer in the social studies text somehow escape the textbook? Let your imagination run free. After entering your prompt, your story will open into 2 panels. Your prompt is on the left, and your new story is on the right. You can edit your story details on the left, and on the right you can listen to your story or download it as a PDF document. It's your turn. Pause the video and use this prompt frame to create a story prompt. Add details to your prompt that will tell Gemini what kind of a book you want to create and include specific details such as lexile level or language output. Your book will download as a PDF document. The read aloud options are available only in Gemini. You can show your book to your students by casting your screen. If you want to share a copy of the story with your students, you can share the PDF document with them. However, if you want to allow students to have read aloud as an option, you can open your book with the Kami extension. Here is how my book looks as a PDF download. The PDF opens from top to bottom, and not as a book, left to right. Usually, Storybook creates a 10-page book. It's the perfect length to quickly illustrate a topic and bring it to life. You could even use it as a jumping-off point for students to create their own stories. Download your book to Downloads on your computer and click Save. Upload your book to Google Drive. You can then create a shareable link for your students. In order to add read-aloud options for your students, open your book using the Kami extension. Select Google Drive from the list to open the file. If you don't have Kami extension installed yet, go to the 3-dot menu in the Chrome browser. Visit the Chrome Web Store. Search for the Kami extension in the Chrome Web Store. Then select Add to Chrome. You can access Kami from the puzzle piece icon at the top of your browser. You may need to select Allow and trust the Kami extension the first time that you open it. I can see that I have opened my file in Google Drive with Kami by looking at the file navigation in the top left. I can now see that I have opened my file with Kami because the Kami menu appears to the left of my story. Run text recognition from the toolbox icon in the top right so that Read Aloud will work with your story. Select sharing options for your story. I have chosen that my students can view my story. Only the students in my school domain can access my story. You can adjust your settings as you need. To share your story with your students, you can post the story as an assignment in Google Classroom. Make sure to choose Kami Assignment when you create the assignment. Select the file from Drive as we did before. Add the directions, due date, and so on. Make sure Feature Control is selected for your Kami assignment. Click Open in Classroom to adjust your feature controls. Here you can differentiate this assignment either for the whole class or for individual students. Click Confirm to save these settings. Review your assignment. You can click your story link to see how it will look for your students. Thank you for watching. I am Jessica Stuyvenberg. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel.